Good afternoon everyone, again Alberto from Home Global. It's been a while. I wanted to take you to see this project because it's one of the villa development in Kamala with the highest occupancy. A small development of only 15 units and only one unit just came on the market as a resale. But for the past few weeks it was always fully booked, so we couldn't come here to show you this unit. And the villa is 211 square meters, which for a 2-bedroom gives a lot of space for every living spot. What I really like about this villa is this beautiful outside living area with lights for the night where you can enjoy and have a drink with your friends in the evening. The swimming pool is really big with a sitting area for the jacuzzi where you can enjoy this stunning mountain view, which is really difficult to find villas on the market with very beautiful view nowadays, because as you know there are no more lands in Phuket, so now most of the villa has no view. But in this villa you are going to enjoy one of the most beautiful mountain view ever. Today is even a rainy day, but look how stunning it is. So really impressive. Of course, at the ground floor here at the garden you will also find the outdoor shower, the spot for the sunbeds, and all your window can open up, so you can have a huge open area for your living room, dining and sofa. And the 2 bedrooms are upstairs. So now let's go to see how beautiful they are. Let's go. Let's go inside the first bedroom. The architect did an amazing job because left the bed, of course, facing this amazing mountain view, and you would say then there is no space for the TV. But if you only look up, you have the TV built on your ceiling coming down so you can enjoy the movie. This is really an amazing feature where I rarely seen in any property. Now let's go to see the master bedroom, where of course, also in this case, the bed is facing the beautiful mountain view, and the both bedrooms have this huge balcony connected where you can also sit outside to enjoy an even better view from the second floor. And also the master bedroom obviously still have the feature of the TV on the ceiling. So we just had a look to how gorgeous this property is. But as you know, at Home Global, we really care to find your dream holiday property, but we also want that you do a great investment for your future. So this outstanding villa is on the market for only 21,500,000 baht, an incredible price for a quality property like this with an outstanding view like behind me. So please contact us as soon as possible because this property is not going to be on the market for a very long time. So I'm waiting for your messages and your calls. Ciao!